The ELX 300S is designed for use in small factories and is also suitable for use in small scrapyards, where a small footprint and high sorting rate is required. The machine adopts intelligent control panel, 2 operation modes, touchscreen operation or control key operation. The electrical components inside the control cabinet are made of Delixi and Schneider, which are durable and long-lasting. It can handle all kinds of cables under 30 millimeters, such as household cables, square wires, electric wires, and so on. We are the best price with maximum profit, perfect for small business and wholesalers.